Hey, welcome back to my channel. So this is a short, honest video of what I think of the President's Choice wood-fired deluxe pizza that's from Italy. And here it is. So stand by and watch the rest of this short video on this fantastic product. You won't be. So here's my review of the President's Choice wood-fired deluxe pizza. And this pizza was made in Italy for President's Choice. And basically it's a wood-fired deluxe pizza that's topped with tomato sauce before being baked in a traditional wood-fired oven on volcanic stone for an exquisitely light charred crust. It's then finished with mozzarella cheese, grilled mushrooms, bell peppers, and pepperoni. Perfetta. And I've tried a number of this brand's thin crust pizzas, and they are fabulous. Now, I don't want you to think I'm lazy or anything, but you know, in the heat of summer, and it's so hot today, and I really don't feel like cooking. So this is a really quick go-to meal, and I'll show you the pizza itself frozen in a second. And the beautiful thing is, I'm going to be cooking it in my air fryer. Instead of getting the oven all heated up and my kitchen heated up, it's going to be chopped up into small pieces and put into the air fryer, and it'll be ready in 6 minutes. So here's the pizza that costs only $6, and nice fresh looking veggies. The backside is lightly charred, and we're going to chop this little thing up so that it can fit into my air fryer, and I'm going to use both baskets to make this one pizza. And I just want to add, if you don't have a Loblaws or a Maxi or one of those affiliates, if you find something similar that's wood-fired thin crust pizza, this is perfect cooking in your air fryer. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is how I cook it in an air fryer. So I see where the one side is, and using a very sharp big old knife seems to work better than a pizza cutter. And then we'll just roughly mark where the other side is so it fits into the rectangle air fryer. And usually what I do now, I'll chop that one in two, and then put one at this end, put another one at this end, and so there's just a little bit of overlap. And then for the other two, I'll put it one this way and one the other way, and it almost fits perfectly. And all the President Choice wood-fired pizzas, they're the same size. And so we just put that in and get cooking. Fire this up, and we're going to do match cook, and we're going to bake it at 400 degrees. And I'm going to set it for 6 minutes. That's usually the time that I use, and it turns out perfectly. Hit start and just wait patiently. And my pizza is ready. So besides, you can cook it in a regular oven, and you can also cook it on your barbecue. So I think personally this pizza looks fantastic. And the underside, look, it's nicely cooked even more. So let me do a little taste test. Let me get into my pizza pie from Italy. Very tasty. Perfect dough, perfect sauce, high quality pepperoni, and nice quality cheese. Like, this is such a great meal that's ready in no time. And I invite you to try it too. So if you think this is a good video and you had some interest, got something out of it, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, something down below, either a good comment or a bad comment, whatever. So thanks for coming along this baking experience. And till the next one, take care, everybody. Bye now.